Welcome to our journey through Kovvur, a small town nestled in the heart of Andhra Pradesh, India. Here, the rhythms of life move at a different pace, dictated by the ebb and flow of the mighty Godavari River and the cycles of the seasons. Today we'll explore its unique charm, natural beauty, and cultural significance, uncovering the secrets that make Kovvur a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Kovvur is situated on the banks of the Godavari River, a lifeline that has shaped its destiny for centuries. The Godavari, often referred to as the Dakshina Ganga, or the Ganges of the south, is not just a river, but a symbol of life and prosperity for the people of Kovvur. Its waters have witnessed the rise and fall of civilizations, the ebb and flow of cultures, and the timeless traditions that have been passed down through generations. The river's presence is undeniable, a constant shimmering ribbon winding its way through the landscape. It is the heartbeat of the region, providing sustenance and inspiration to all who live along its banks. The Godavari's waters are a source of life, nurturing the land and its people, and fostering a deep connection between nature and humanity. As the river winds its way through the landscape, it creates a mosaic of ecosystems, each teeming with life. From the dense forests that line its banks to the fertile plains that stretch outwards, the Godavari's influence is felt far and wide. The river's journey is a testament to the power of nature, carving its path through the land and leaving a legacy of beauty and abundance. This fertile river valley, blessed with rich alluvial soil, provides the perfect conditions for a vibrant tapestry of life to flourish. The fields are a patchwork of green, gold, and brown, each hue representing a different crop that thrives in this bountiful land. The farmers of Kovvur have long relied on the Godavari's waters to irrigate their fields, ensuring a steady supply of food and resources for the community. The river's bounty is not limited to agriculture alone. The diverse plant life that thrives along its banks is a testament to the Godavari's nurturing embrace. From towering trees to delicate flowers, the flora of the region is a vibrant tapestry of colors and textures, each species playing a vital role in the ecosystem. The air here is thick with the scent of blooming jasmine, a fragrance that has become synonymous with the region. The delicate white flowers, with their intoxicating aroma, are a symbol of purity and beauty, and their presence is a reminder of the Godavari's life-giving power. The sounds of nature's orchestra fill the air, a chorus of birdsong accompanied by the gentle lapping of water against the riverbanks. The Godavari is home to a myriad of bird species, each adding its unique voice to the symphony of life that thrives along the river. As the sun sets over the Godavari, the riverbanks come alive with the sounds of nature. Birds perch along the water's edge, their songs a soothing melody that echoes through the twilight. The gentle movement of the water, as it laps against the shore, creates a sense of peace and tranquility, a reminder of the timeless bond between the river and the land it nourishes. The Godavari River, the second longest in India, is more than just a geographical feature. It's the lifeblood of Kovvur. Its waters, flowing down from the western Ghats, irrigate the surrounding plains, turning them into a verdant paradise. Fishermen cast their nets at dawn, hoping for a bountiful catch, while farmers tend to their crops, their lives intrinsically linked to the river's rhythm. The Godavari is also a source of leisure and recreation, with families enjoying leisurely boat rides, their laughter echoing across the water. Kovvur's fertile soil, nourished by the Godavari's generosity, makes it an agricultural heartland. Here, time-honored traditions are passed down through generations, from the planting of the seeds to the harvesting of the crops. Rice paddies shimmering like emerald mirrors under the sun dominate the landscape. Coconut palms stand tall and proud, their fronds swaying gently in the breeze, while mango orchards promise a sweet and juicy harvest. The air is filled with the aroma of freshly tilled earth and the promise of abundance. Step beyond the town's edge and you'll find yourself enveloped by a serene world of natural beauty. Lush green paddy fields stretch as far as the eye can see, interspersed with clusters of coconut groves and verdant vegetation. The air is alive with the chirping of crickets and the melodies of unseen birds. The nearby forests, remnants of a time when nature reigned supreme, offer a glimpse into a world untouched by human hands, a sanctuary for a rich diversity of flora and fauna. Chapter 5. While Kovvur itself exudes a tranquil charm, those seeking adventure can venture further afield to discover the treasures that lie beyond. The ancient city of Rajamundry, with its historical temples and bustling ghats, beckons with stories of a glorious past. The scenic backwaters of Konosima, a labyrinth of canals and waterways, offer a glimpse into a unique ecosystem. And for the adventurous at heart, the Papi Hills, rising majestically from the Godavari River, promise breathtaking views and challenging treks. Chapter 6. Kovvur's true essence lies in its people and their deep-rooted traditions. This small town, nestled in the heart of Andhra Pradesh, is a living tapestry of culture and history. Every street, every corner, and every home tells a story of a rich heritage that has been preserved and cherished over centuries. The warmth of their hospitality is as inviting as the aroma of spices wafting from their kitchens. The people of Kovvur take immense pride in their culinary traditions, which are a blend of age-old recipes and locally sourced ingredients. Families often come together to prepare meals, turning cooking into a communal activity that strengthens bonds and fosters a sense of belonging. The vibrant colours of their festivals, celebrated with music, dance and religious fervour, are a testament to their zest for life. Festivals in Kovvur are not just events, they are grand celebrations that bring the entire community together. From the rhythmic beats of traditional drums to the graceful movements of classical dance forms, every element of these festivals reflects the town's cultural richness. Ancient temples adorned with intricate carvings stand as silent witnesses to centuries of faith and devotion. These temples are not just places of worship, they are architectural marvels that showcase the artistic prowess of the craftsmen of yesteryears. Each carving, each sculpture tells a story of devotion, mythology, and the timeless bond between the divine and the devotees. To truly experience Kovvur is to immerse yourself in the rhythm of its daily life. The bustling markets, the serene riverbanks, and the lively streets all offer a glimpse into the everyday lives of its residents. Here, tradition and modernity coexist harmoniously, creating a unique blend that is both captivating and comforting. To savor the flavors of its cuisine is to taste the essence of Kovvur itself. Each dish, from the spicy curries to the sweet delicacies, is a reflection of the town's diverse cultural influences and its rich agricultural heritage. The local markets, bustling with vendors selling fresh produce and traditional snacks, are a testament to the town's vibrant food culture. And to witness the traditions that have been passed down through generations is to understand the soul of Kovvur. Elders play a crucial role in preserving these traditions, teaching the younger generation the skills and knowledge that have been handed down through the ages. Whether it's crafting intricate handlooms, performing age-old rituals, or narrating folklore, these traditions are the threads that weave the fabric of Kovvur's identity. Chapter 7. The Godavari River and its surrounding forests harbour a surprising diversity of life. Stretching over 1,450 kilometers, the Godavari is the second longest river in India, and its basin is a lifeline for millions of people and countless species. The river's journey from the Central Highlands to the Bay of Bengal is a tale of nature's resilience and splendor. Kingfishers, with their iridescent plumage, dive for their catch, their sharp eyes spotting fish from great heights. These agile hunters are a symbol of the river's vitality, their presence indicating a healthy aquatic ecosystem. The sight of a kingfisher in action is a mesmerizing display of precision and grace. While egrets wade gracefully in the shallows, their long legs and necks perfectly adapted for fishing in the river's calm waters. These elegant birds move with a slow, deliberate pace, their white feathers contrasting beautifully with the green and blue hues of their surroundings. Egrets are often seen in groups, a testament to the rich feeding grounds provided by the river. The air is filled with the calls of unseen birds, their songs echoing through the trees. This symphony of sounds is a constant reminder of the vibrant life that thrives in the riverine forests. From the melodious tunes of songbirds to the distinctive calls of larger species, each bird contributes to the rich tapestry of sounds that define this ecosystem. Small mammals like the elusive civet cat and the playful otter make their homes in the riverine forests. The civet cat, with its nocturnal habits and keen sense of smell, is a master of camouflage, blending seamlessly into the dense foliage. Otters, on the other hand, are often seen frolicking in the water, their playful antics a joy to watch. These mammals play crucial roles in maintaining the ecological balance of the riverine habitat, while reptiles such as monitor lizards and water snakes bask in the sun's warmth. Monitor lizards, with their prehistoric appearance, are formidable predators, while water snakes glide effortlessly through the water, their sleek bodies perfectly adapted for an aquatic life. These reptiles are vital components of the river's food web, controlling populations of smaller animals and maintaining the health of the ecosystem. This delicate ecosystem, a testament to the interconnectedness of life, is a complex web of interactions where every species, no matter how small, plays a part. The plants and animals of the Godavari River Basin are interdependent, each contributing to the overall health and stability of the environment. The loss of any single species can have far-reaching consequences, highlighting the importance of biodiversity. Reminds us of the importance of preserving these natural treasures for future generations. As the sun sets over the pristine waters of the Godavari, casting a golden glow over the landscape, we are reminded of the beauty and fragility of our natural world. It is our responsibility to protect these ecosystems, ensuring that future generations can experience the wonder and diversity of life that the Godavari River and its forests have to offer. Outro. As we bid farewell to Kovvur, we carry with us the memories of its serene beauty, the warmth of its people, and the echoes of its rich cultural heritage. Kovvur, a hidden gem nestled in the heart of Andhra Pradesh, reminds us that sometimes the most extraordinary journeys lead us to the simplest of places. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more explorations of hidden gems around the world. See you in the next adventure.